Hello guys, welcome back to .NET Crunch, and today we'll be looking at how you can increase your pay as a .NET developer. So straight away, without wasting any time, let's get started. So skills that could increase your pay as a .NET web developer are client-side technologies. You can focus on client-side technologies, cloud exposure, agile methodology, CI/CD pipeline, web API, and do some certification. Let us explore all these in details. And today I'll be specifically talking about a web developer, not a .NET desktop application developer. Okay, it's only related to web development using .NET. Let's get started. So client-side technologies is like uh, React.js, Angular, or Vue.js. If you know any of these, it's an added advantage and it will help you to boost your salary. Okay, so technologies such as Angular, React, Vue are currently in high demand with employers. So definitely, if there is a demand, you can tend to get a good salary. So you can focus on either of these. Next is cloud experience or cloud exposure. Basically, .NET developers who have experience with cloud platforms such as Azure or AWS or even Google Cloud, GCP, uh, tend to get more salaries. You can definitely try learning Azure, AWS with respect to .NET. Next is agile methodologies. People are using agile methodologies as well as TDD, test-driven development, can also get a good salary. So currently, like in today's environment, basically most of the organizations use agile methodologies, right? So that's a good thing to learn. Next is CI/CD. If in case you are not familiar, this is continuous integration and continuous delivery, part of deployment and code integration, right? So .NET developers who have experience with CI/CD would be able to increase their salary because this is a partial work from the DevOps role. Basically, today a large organization come with a specific DevOps profile role for wherein they are developers as well as operational guys. So who code as well as who code a bit and also do integrations like code integrations, code deployment. Okay. So, but in small companies, mid-sized companies, there people expect from a developer uh, to fit in this role or uh, to carry out this nature of work, right? So it is an again added advantage if you possess the skill. Next, we will talk about is Web API. So .NET developer with strong experience in development in developing Web API find that companies seeking these skills tend to pay more because today, like whatever system we develop, whatever web applications we develop, they are more the chances are more likely that we will use some kind of sort of a integration APIs, right? Suppose if you are building some web app and you want to integrate a chatbot or if you want to integrate some service from a third-party provider. So this can happen using web APIs. So REST APIs, you need to have a strong hold of them as a .NET developer. So this is definitely a salary booster for you guys. The next one is certification. So certification would definitely act as a salary booster if you use the right skills acquired by doing a certification. Suppose you are working in Azure and you do some Azure certification related to solution architect, and then definitely whatever skills you learn while preparing for that certification, if you can use that in a real-time scenario, definitely your employer will be impressed and definitely will consider you for a raise, right? So doing the right certification will definitely help you in boosting up your salary. Hope you find this info useful. If so, share it with your friends. Like this video, please subscribe to our channel. We'll keep on bringing these kind of videos. And till then, have a good time. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And you can also visit our blog .netcrunch.in. That's all for this video. Thank you. Have a good day.